Meaning of flexor.
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 Flexor. The term flexor refers to a type of muscle that is involved in the movement of joints, particularly in bending or flexing them. Flexor muscles are found throughout the body and work in concert with other muscles, tendons, and ligaments to allow for smooth and coordinated motion. They are essential for a wide range of activities, including walking, running, grasping objects, and performing various physical tasks. When flexor muscles are activated, they contract to pull on the bones of the joint, causing it to bend or flex.